Shooting scenes like this can be too dangerous sometimes, even for a professional stunt driver. So we use computer effects and motion control effects. We're going to demonstrate motion control effects. This is stage 55. Now we're going to stop the tram for this demonstration. When we stop, if you want to stand up for a better view, you can do that if you'd like. But remain seated until we come to a complete stop, okay? Now also, if you're on the left side, or the driver's side, keep your seats. You already have a great view here. We'll let the people on the other side stand up and look over here.
Let's see the bullet hit. And go. Smoke.
Okay, we're going to stop here, guys, on the right side. You can stand up.
Go. Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems check. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action.
And cut! This is Karma and Carnage. Great examples of motion control. Take a bow. Good job. Yeah, give him a hand there. Good job. Hey, look, we got some dance moves for you, too. Check it out. Take that, Dancing with the Stars. Hey, Dancing with the Cars. New show. Okay, let's take our seats. Good job, Karma and Carnage, our special effects team. You know, we used computer-controlled robotics like this in the Jurassic Park films for some of the larger dinosaurs. Up ahead, you're going to see vehicles and props from the Jurassic Park films.